I joined this academy back in September 2021.
मेरे मन में एक शायरी आ रही है.
So guys, this was our monthly rewards and recognition ceremony that
Okay, so practice is going.
Yes, we are very excited for anchoring.
Okay.
This is our first time. Good morning, all of you. I, Shubham Bhandari.
And I, Hariom Sharma, we welcome you all in our monthly rewards and recognition ceremony.
Thank you. Teaching is the first profession that creates any other profession. So please welcome with a big round of applause our communication trainer, our YouTuber, and the director of Excellent Academy, Mr. Manoj Kanpa, sir.
thank you very much everyone for this.
Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That's why we call it present. So thank you to all for joining us in our monthly rewards and recognition ceremony. Thank you.
Learning gives creativity.
Creativity leads to thinking.
Thinking provides knowledge.
Knowledge makes you great.
So now we call our pre-assessment topper from the morning batch. The award goes to Mohit Singh.
Again, Mohit is absent. From evening batch, the award goes to Rahul Singh. There are no mistake in life, only lesson. So learn from your mistake, take lesson and improve yourself. Now we call our runner-up from morning batch. The award goes to Mrs. Kiran
Dobal. From the evening batch, the award goes to Ankit Kumar. मेरे मन में एक शायरी आ रही है. अगर बुरा ना मानो तो हर्ज करो. मीन्स अर्ज करो. मुस्कुराहट का कोई मोल नहीं होता. मुस्कुराहट का कोई मोल नहीं होता. कुछ रिश्तों का कोई तोल नहीं होता. कुछ रिश्तों का कोई तोल नहीं होता. लोग तो मिल जाते हैं हर मोड़ पर. लोग तो मिल जाते हैं हर मोड़ पर, लेकिन हर कोई आपकी तरह अनमोल नहीं होता. Success is not about setting a low goals and hitting it. It is all about setting a high goal and missing it. Now we call our star of the month. From the morning batch, the award goes to Miss Shanti.
I'm so happy to receive this award today First of all, I would like to thank Manoj Kandpal sir and Excellent Academy for all the support and guidance we get here. And I really like to the way sir grooms our personality, our communication skills, and friendly environment makes the learning joyful. Since I joined this academy, I see many changes in in myself, like my confidence level, my grammatical knowledge, my communication skills, and so on. The credit goes to Manoj Kandpal sir, and he always motivating us. And I want to thank my batchmates too for all the support and friendly nature. Thank you so much.
Guys, make some noise.
All right. So guys, I must say that Shanti is one of the students who has been very sincere and very consistent, because I still remember when she joined, she was in doubt whether she would be able to learn or not, and today when she is standing here talking to you guys in English, I think she is a hope to many and she is inspiring to many people. So that's very good. Keep that up. We wish you all the very best for your future.
Count your blessing, instead count your problem. So wish you a very cheerful evening, respected sir and all my dear fans. So today I am very happy receiving this award, because a student who never score up average marks in this subject, because I never learn this language as a language. I just always try to as a subject. And since when I'm standard 6, when I was standard 6 and till pass out the 12th, so that time I never passed this subject. But now when I'm doing something much better than before, so I feel very proud of myself, because suddenly people are appreciating me, and people appreciating me, as well as they are admire myself. So I feel very good. And I just share one story. That time I was in class 9. So you have a choice that time, because you choose two subjects, Hindi and Sanskrit in English and Sanskrit in government school. So I also want to take English as a subject, but guys, you don't believe me. I don't know how to read the English passages. I don't know. I was not able to read properly, and so I just want to, because it's my aim to one day I speak fluently. But I don't know how it is possible, because of a student who don't know everything. So his aim is to speak fluent. But when I was, as I'm saying, I was in class 9th. So I said my teacher, sir, I want to take English as a subject. So firstly he shocked, because I don't know how to read. It's a different thing. Speaking is very different thing, because I don't know. So he's come and stood front of me, and then said, "Are you joking?" I just say, "Sir, no sir, I want to take, because if I leave this subject now, so it will reject me in future." So he is not thinking anything. He slapped me very badly, because I'm in hostel, because I can't complain my parents, because they are always teacher are very strict there. They are always find to our mistake, how to beat everyone. Fine. So he come and slap me. So I just and say, "Get out from here." I sit in my class, and next day my principal sir came here, and he called me, "Vipin, come here." what you say last day? So I just say, sir, I want to take English. Okay, so he said, your teacher complaining you don't know how to read English. So I just say, sir, you give me only 3 days, I will prove myself. So only 3 days, I completely reading. I day and night. I forget to do another subject. I just concentrate my English, and only 3 days I am very very fast reading. So he is also soft, but he's always beat me in my backside, in neck backside. You are not pass this subject in 9th standard, and next year you will go at home because you are not pass, because if you are fail there, so you can you are out from there. Only they are not failure allowed. So they are always always try to find my mistake and always punish me. So suddenly I passed. So he's shocked. But when is he today me? So he's also shocked because our student he used to always beat me, and now I'm not saying I'm totally fluent, but comparison this earlier time, but I improve myself. So same thing, a man who are spending his precious time behind us, everyone. So it's a very good thing, because private institutions are not focusing in every student particularly, and they are not concentrate. They are just concentrate their fees and all these things. We are very fortunate, so we have a great personality in this academy. Mr. Manoj Kandpal sir, please big round of applause, Manoj Kandpal sir, because since I joined this academy, so that time I sit there and I just see, and I used to observe everyone like this situation. Their students are very fluent, so I just think I couldn't that time I feel I can't do this because it is not my cup of tea. So today I am here because of Manoj Kandpal sir. He is a very passionate about their passion, and I learn lot of things, not only English, because how to love our passion, how to learn our passion, and as well as how to devote our work ourselves. So thank you so much.
This is really amazing to hear such nice words from our students. And I still remember, when Vipin joined this academy, he was, as he mentioned, that he was very poor with the subject, but his dedication towards learning, his sincerity, and the way he is passionate towards his aim, has made it possible. So we know that little drops make the ocean. So we wish you all the very best, and I know you will do great things and go far in life. One more time, a big round of applause.
ओके, सो बाय द वे मेरे को एक और शायरी याद आ रही है, बोलूं?
हाँ जरूर
ओके, हिंदुस्तानियों का नशा चाय की प्यालियों में होता है। हिंदुस्तानियों का नशा चाय की प्यालियों में होता है, लेकिन एक सच्चे कलाकार का नशा सिर्फ और सिर्फ जोरदार तालियों में होता है।
You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. So now we have the most important award for the best performing student.
Student of the month, Mrs. Geeta Best. I wish you a very fanatic morning to respected sir and all my dear friends. So nowadays language is not a barrier, but confidence is. Teachers are like very strict in our knowledge, but sir is a friendly nature, different ways of learning. Thank you.
She is hardworking.
She is also kind-hearted,
She may be come strict from outside.
but from inside she is like a butter.
Any guesses? Yes, definitely. Geeta ma'am. तुम्हारा ये है इसके बाद?
Once again, very good morning. This is Geeta from Haldwani. I attend the level 2 session in Excellent Academy. Before joining Excellent Academy, I was very poor in English. My grammar was also very poor, and I have a phobia to go in front of people. I have a phobia to talk with people in English. But now I'm very confident, and I'm better to speak English, and I'm in front of you just because of sir. In the session, sir has taught in different ways. Sir has taught vocabulary, how to pronunciation, and different way to thinking how to create the imagination. So and many more. And word cannot express our thanks for you, sir, and thank you for being such a wonderful teacher. And at last, I would like to say, everyone, please once join the Excellent Academy, build your confidence and gain your knowledge in English, and try to be good in English and face the world. Thank you.
So he is intelligent, he is friendly, he is helpful, he is none other than, any guesses? Yes, right, of course.
There is a will, there is a way. Good morning everyone, I am Shubham Bhandari. Today I want to share my level 2 training experience with you. Also that experience that I gained here. So when first of all I joined this academy, so my grammar knowledge and my pronunciation was not very good. But after 3 months I'm standing in front of you, I speak very fluently and very confident. So all this experience and this confidence all come from by my hard work, as well as the I can say the guidance of Mr. Manoj Kandpal sir. So at last I want to thank Excellent Academy, Manoj Kandpal sir, from my bottom of my heart, as well as my batchmates from morning and the evening batches for being so supportive and so very helpful. So thank you guys. And innocent eyes,
He is a responsible boy,
very confident,
supportive and a dark horse from inside.
one and only. Any guesses? No.
Vipin
Agri. इस तरफ आ जाओ, इस तरफ आ जाओ, आपको आना हमारा है।
Your limitation is your imagination. Hello everyone, this is Vipin Agri. I am from Haldwani. So I attended the level 2 program at Excellent Academy. And my fluency has improved and I feel much confidence now. Before joining this academy, I used to be very shy and English was a phobia for me. However, now I am not only speak fluent English, but also my presentation skill good. And at last I want to say, one pen, one paper and one teacher. My Manoj Kandpal sir can change the world. Thank you, sir.
He is interesting, he is talented, He is a creative student. So, any guesses? Yes, definitely. Hari Om. Please give him a big round of applause.
So, first of all, good evening, all of you. And today, my interesting thought is that a teacher is like a compass that activates the magnets of knowledge, wisdom, and support. So, I would today I would like to share my experience of that level 2 training. So 3 months ago when I have joined this academy, I feel very hesitating, and I am also like a shy person like you are, and I would not able to frame English sentences, but slowly and gradually becoming a part of this excellent academy.
He is sincere.
He is wonderful.
He is always active.
He is cool.
None other than, any guesses? Ankit. Yes, definitely Ankit Kumar.
Guys, clapping.
Please, तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए.
So, I wish a very good morning to respected sir and all my batchmates. So I joined this academy back in September 2021, and now it has been almost 9 months. And in these 9 months, I have learned so many things here. If we talk about confidence, personality development, and English, so I have learned so many things here. And I have always felt that English is not a very big problem for me, but the big problem for me was confidence. I was very unconfident, and I always kind of scared of getting in front of people. But now after all these 9 months and all the efforts that Manoj Kandpal sir put and I put, now I can say that I am really confident, and I think you should confidence and personality development is something that everyone must have. So I really like to thank Manoj Kandpal sir, and if I talk about my experience with the level 2 batch of spoken English, and it was very good, and I really like the activity, that hot seat activity, in which we have to one person have to come here and the other will ask the question, and I think it should also be included in the regular classes, because it really because the questions are random and you have to answer randomly. So I think that really improve your spoken English, but at the same time also you will get to know what to speak at the right time. So I really want to thank Manoj Kandpal sir and all my batchmates, because as we learn so many things from our batchmates also. Like if I talk about Shanti Di, so I also felt that when she first time came here, I saw her, she was not very confident and English was not very good, but now today I heard her speech and it was really amazing. So thank you Manoj Kandpal sir.
सो अब एक चीज़ मैं बोलूँगा, उसको आपको ज़िंदगी भर उसको फॉलो करना है. ज़िंदगी का शौक़ कभी पाला नहीं जाता. ज़िंदगी का शौक़ कभी पाला नहीं जाता. शीशे का प्याला कभी उछाला नहीं जाता. शीशे का प्याला कभी उछाला नहीं जाता. मेहनत से संवर जाती है ज़िंदगी, मेहनत से संवर जाती है जिंदगी, हर काम तकदीर पर डाला नहीं जाता।
Now we would like to request Veena ma'am
To honor our sir with a token of gratitude.
Sir, would you like to say something?
So guys, teaching profession सबसे tough profession होता है, which is I'm saying because of the experience that I have. Because you see, अगर आप एक engineer हो तो आपको आपकी knowledge से judge किया जाता है, लेकिन teaching profession is something जहाँ पर आपको नहीं, आप जिनको सिखा रहे हो उनकी नॉलेज से आपको जज किया जाता है, right? So I may be a fluent speaker, I may be very confident, but in case if I'm not able to transfer this knowledge to my students, if I'm not able to transform them into a confident personality, then all this knowledge goes for a toss. So very top profession, but when I get students like you who really make my job easier, you are really hardworking, sincere, and really dedicated to what you're doing. So I see that you have really made my job easier and have made me kind of very proud.
Wonderful day
ahead.
Thank you.
So guys, बहुत ही खूबसूरत तरीके से आप लोगों ने ये इवेंट को ऑर्गेनाइज किया, and I'm really happy to see that. और कहते हैं ना, शीशा हूँ टूटा हूँ अभी चुपता हूँ सबको, कल आईना बन जाऊंगा तो सब तराशेंगे मुझ में खुद को. तो गाइज, कोई भी काम, any work that we say is difficult before it is easy. So the same goes for the anchoring as well. So these people have taken the responsibility and the ownership and have really worked hard for it, and they have really proved themselves. So a big round of applause for both of our anchors, Shubham and Hariom. A small token of gratitude for you as well. कई बार ऐसा होता है ना, हम लोग चीजें देखते हैं सामने और हमें लगता है यार everything is done by these people. For example, when we go out and watch movie, we think that these actors and actresses and the villains, they have done everything, but we don't really look what has been really done to make that film. How many people have really contributed, the people who have been working backstage. So ऐसा ही एक व्यक्ति हमारे बीच है, and I am sure that you all know who I am talking about, that Bhavesh. A big round of applause for him as well. Please come Bhavesh.
Thank you all for joining us. Have a good day.
This was our monthly rewards and recognition ceremony that we organize every month to make sure that there is a healthy competition in the class among the students. Because without competition, we never realize what we are really supposed to do, how we can push our limits. And that is the best way to really improve ourselves and excel at every. And if you want to be a part of Excellent Academy family, तो नीचे दी गई details